Man, get your ass up. Orale, Holmes. It's time to go to school, fool. Excuse me, what are you doing? You're supposed to be at work, sir. You need to wake up before I kill you. I don't know what you are doing, but these sleeping sheets is seriously piecing me off. I'm getting really sick of sitting here looking at you sleep, so why don't you just wake up? Yo, why you still sleeping, bro? Get your ass up. This ain't a fucking holiday. Man, why do you sleep like that? You look funny. You look funny. Mouth all open. You wake up. No sleep for you. Don't do that.